As efficiency becomes the benchmark of the times, precision the bottom line of quality, and intelligence the future of manufacturing, Wenzhou Furi Machinery Co. Ltd. leverages automation to reshape assembly paradigms, upholds craftsmanship to empower industrial upgrading, and embarks on a new intelligent journey together with Made in China. Originating from aspiration and thriving through perseverance, Furi has specialized in the design, manufacturing, and sales of automated cap assembly for 18 years. Guided by the mission of empowering production with technology, leading the future with intelligence, we focus on assembly pain points across industries, devote ourselves to R&D, and strive for perfection. Evolving from a single equipment supplier to a full process automation solution provider, every step forward stems from our ultimate pursuit of quality, and every breakthrough is dedicated to creating core value for customers. Furi stays committed to meeting customer needs, pursues continuous innovation, increases investment in basic research, and achieves win-win cooperation through accumulated strength. As a national high-tech enterprise and a technology-based small and medium-sized enterprise in Hejiang Province, the company currently holds 6 invention patents, more than 40 utility model patents and CE certificates. With strong technical support and a brand-new service philosophy, we continuously provide customers with systematic solutions, high-quality products, and attentive services. Our automated cap assembly equipment and other products are widely used in food, pharmaceutical, beverage, daily chemical, packaging, and other industries. Adhering to the philosophy of integrity-based and innovation-driven, we gather professionals in automated mechanical design, electronic control, software development, and other fields to build a core team with both technical strength and practical experience. With professionalism and dedication, we overcome efficiency bottlenecks and precision challenges in assembly production, winning recognition and trust from over 8,000 customers. Our machines are exported to more than 130 countries and regions worldwide, making us a pillar in the automated assembly industry. Technology is the primary productive force, and innovation is the core competitiveness. Furi always prioritizes R&D investment, deeply cultivates core technologies for automated assembly, and breaks through industry technical barriers. We have built a diversified and intelligent product portfolio covering standalone equipment, flexible production lines, and full process automation solutions, catering to cap assembly and inspection requirements in agriculture, daily chemicals, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and other industries. Wenzhou Furi seizes the momentum, builds on core technologies, deepens application scenarios, and continuously promotes product innovation and service upgrading. We help more enterprises achieve automated and intelligent transformation, reduce production costs, and enhance core competitiveness. Upholding our original aspiration and forging ahead bravely, we are committed to becoming a world-leading provider of automated assembly solutions, bringing intelligent assembly to every production workshop, empowering Made in China with greater strength, and illuminating the industrial future with the light of technology.